Hello, I'm MacKenzie Stewart with the Stewart Group and John L. Scott. I'm joined here by Paul Careaga from Movement Mortgage. And we're here with a multi-part series about going through the pre-approval process to purchase a home in the Pacific Northwest area. So today we're going to just do an overview of some main points, and then coming up we will be sharing some in-depth, detailed tips and tricks to help you get ready to present an offer in this market.
Mackenzie, that's just fantastic. And I'm super excited to be a part of this series. And it's extremely helpful and very timely because we're all dealing with challenges in getting offers accepted right now. And we're seeing success cases and we're seeing some that aren't success cases.
Many of you may have heard that we are in a very strong market. And when we talk about a strong market, we're looking right now that it's a seller's market, meaning that there's a lot of interest in property and we have very low inventory. And what that means is that we're seeing listings going on the market and only staying on the market for several days before receiving multiple offers. Therefore, as a potential buyer, it's really important for you to be ready to go out and look at a home. And if you are interested, have everything ready to be able to make an offer that day. And often a good agent will require their clients to be pre-approved prior to taking them out to view homes. So what we're going to go through today is what you need to do to be ready before you reach out to your agent to go and look at houses.
Great. Yeah, Mackenzie, you couldn't be more correct. Every weekend as we go into the weekend, I'll find that I get super busy with people ready to make offers. And a lot of times, it's customers that I've been working with that are pre-approved that have gotten the process already started. And then sometimes it's people that haven't been pre-approved. And so it's really about getting yourself ready in order to make an offer to be able to present the best possible situation. And I think what most buyers need to realize is that if you were the seller looking at offers, what's going to be important to you, and having somebody that's pre-approved, ready to go, their file's been through underwriting is extremely, extremely important in the market that we're dealing with. So I kind of put together a list here that I want to share. When you have that initial call with your loan officer, it's going to be really important for you to have this documentation available. It's going to give the loan officer a better view of where you're qualifying at, but more importantly, it's going to also help you to determine where you want to be at. What's the difference between one price and another? And when you're out looking at homes, you need to be able to quickly realize a $20,000 difference is going to mean this. And so in order to find that out, it's about being prepared, getting the best information to your loan officer right off the bat, and getting pre-approved before you write the offer. So as you can see in this list here, we're looking at income. It's about 2 years documentation for W-2s, 1099s. It's about paycheck stubs, having your paycheck stubs and having a figure on your annual income to date. That's important. Assets, knowing what kind of money you have available for the down payment. That's going to be important. Are there any gifts involved? Also, a good idea to let your loan officer know, have that discussion beforehand. Is this something that's a possibility for us? And then it's credit. What type of credit do we have? We're not looking for what you currently pay on your bills. We're looking for what the minimum payment is on any installment and revolving debts. But most importantly, it's about having your goals in mind. What do I want to have so far as a monthly payment? What is it we're comfortable paying? Even though we may qualify for more, where's our comfort zone? And then how much of a down payment do we want to make? There's a lot of different options out there, but they all have guidelines that you have to meet. So knowing what your down payment goals are is going to really help your loan officer and you determine what is the best home for you, what is the best price range for you, to make sure that you, when you're in the car with your agent, that you are looking at homes that fit your needs all the way around.
Right.
So that's to me what's really going to be important for everybody, is just knowing exactly where you qualify at and where you want to be at.
Thank you so much, Paul. So we're going to be back with this multi-part series about the pre-approval process to get you as a buyer ready to go out and find your ideal property.